Sige, next naman is invisibility, no? So not all the linear programming classes have its solution, no? So, in every problem class, so there is no solution po. Some of the problem po in the linear program is there is a kanang no solution. So it is a case where an LP model ng invisibility that no feasible solution. So it means no feasible solution, so walang mga bounded region po. Even though all constraints are being satisfied, that is, there are no points, no? So walang, anong tawag nito? Walang corner points, no? Or extreme points, no? Which satisfy all the constraint. For example, maximize p is equal to 2x plus y, no? Subject to solve 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18 and x greater than or equal to 7, then x greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So, plot the constraint, no, in the problem on a graph using the intercept rule. So, using the intercept method, no, okay, we are going to graph this one. I-graph na to na, ha. So, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. So, let x equals to 0. So, 3 times 0 plus 2y equals to 18. So, 0 and 9. And 6 and 0. Ato nang indiretso, ha. So, ito po ang graph ni 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 18. And ito po yung shaded region niya. And yung isa naman is x greater than or equal to 0. So, x is equal to 7. So, manay yun ako si mabundan pag 7 and 0 na po gani siya. Gani kay y equal 4 and 0 man to. Ay, 0 and 4 man to. Pag 7 and 0 na po siya. So, not horizontal line na po ang imuhang pag-graph. Vertical line na po ka. Kaya naman siya dari, ah. So, based on this graph class, di ba nakita ninyo na may nag-bounded region? Meron po bang bounded region? Yes or no? Yes or no? Meron. Okay. Mag-bounded region na siya, pero na siya sa baba. Nya, take note, ha. Meron negativity man pa. X greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. So, dili siya pwede. So, naman sa baba yung bounded region. So, wala. Manang invisibility siya. Sabi niyo, no points which satisfy all the constraint. Kuha? Kuha, class? Next naman is, after identifying the feasible region of the linear programming problem, there is no common area, thus there is no feasible solution in the LP model is an example of infeasibility. Next naman is redundancy. In the redundancy, there is a constraint, which does not affect the feasible region. Dito maka-apekto sa feasible region. So it means, for example, p is equal to 2x plus y, so maximize sa x plus y greater than, less than or equal to 9, and x plus y less than or equal to 6, and then negativity, greater than or equal to 0 for y, and y is greater than or equal to 0 for y axis. So, based on this graph class now, i-graph na to siya, ha. Okay, ito po ang graph ni 0 and 9, 9 and 0. Yan po. And ang isa naman, x plus y less than or equal to 6, ito po ang graph. Di ba nakita ninyo, na may bounded region? Wala. So, tawag ano yung graph? Parallel ba ni? Class? Hello? Hello? Intercept? Okay, parallel line. Pag parallel line gani ang ihang graph, so it means redundancy yan. So, yung constraint na does not affect the feasible region. Wala, dili dyan siya maka-apekto. Okay? So, thus, this LP model contains a redundant constraint. Now, this would only mean that the constraint is not considered a limiting factor and may not be included in the LP model. Dili ni siya linear programming problem model po. Basta nga ni. Redundancy and infeasibility. Last one, is unbounded. Yung unbounded class, kaprayaan niyo, This is a condition of an LP model when the object function of a linear programming can be made infinitely large without violating any of the constraint. Pag isolve man gud nimo ning unbounded, very large kayo ang iyang constraint. For example, kani i-graph nato ni x is greater than or equal to 3. So ito yung graph niya, and y less greater than or equal to 6 po. So makita na to ni kung ato ni siyang ipakita, no. Okay? So wait lang, akong i-show sa inyo using the Desmos graphing calculator. Unbounded siya. Okay? Allow me to share my screen again. Okay. So, can you see my screen? Class. Kita niyo? Okay. Sige, ito x. Okay, ito 3. Then, y greater than or equal to 6. So, based on this solution, so saan po ang bounded region niya? Nandito ba? Nandito or nandito or dito? Kasi nakita ninyo, asa banda yung bounded region. Ang duha ka bounded region. Nasa banda no, kanina. Ni. So nakita ninyo sa class, dili mo gud siya pwede. Kanay ko do. Dili siya pwede kay wala may unbounded man siya ni blue. No? So dapat silang duha. Then based on this graph no, naaman diri ilang bounded region. Very large man eh. Infinitely large man eh. So, it means unbounded yan. Wa tayo masolve ani. Pag nga ni iyang graph. Bentaha lang o naadri iyang graph. No? Pag maximize man siya. Yung maximize niya kay dari man siya padulong. Wala. Wa kay masolve. Okay. And that would be no for the unbounded, redundancy, and infeasibility po.